Don with Garage Doors Inc. here. Hey, was just looking at doing a drawing for one of our customers, and again, I just wanted to sort of go over what happens as a design and quoting estimating process for us. What we do is we get usually some information here from a customer, and we have some details, and they usually have a sort of design option. Sometimes there's no starting point. They have some idea of what they want, and then we just make it happen. But when it comes to something like this, we do a CAD program and just start putting it together. And what that looks like is matching. Again, there's some operational constraints we have to fall within. Making sure that section heights are realistic and reasonable to get. If they are, then we just kind of follow their design request. So I'm going to go through this process and show you what we do. Right now I'm doing an offset for the windows and the glass. And there's a typical window separator spacing. Usually it's a minimum of about 1.25 inches, but we have a standard of 1.5 inches. That allows us to frame that out from both sides, called true divided lights, meaning that's a piece of glass, that's a piece of glass, that's a piece of glass with framing between it. We can also do one full sheet of glass here with just the simulation of whatever design for glass there might be. Groove. This is a simulated tongue and groove with V grooves from our big machine. So we'll route out this design with a big CNC machine and make it look nice. Make it look as if it is tongue and groove joint profile. And there's your full door. Do some display here for section breaks. And then we change some of the colors here. Demonstrate. And then we put some dimensions on for people to understand size of door, glass width, mullion dimension. So they know the thickness there, the width between these V grooves, edges. That's all horizontal stuff, and then we do all the vertical as well. That. So now we can give our foreman, our shop foreman, an understanding of what the glass might be for this job. He has 5/8 each side to the glass to have some, and then we give the height of the door, and then each section break here. Saved. Put on a door detail form, which is a demonstration for another time, and we send it out. Thanks. Have a good day.